So to add the new DMARC record from Shopify, here's what you have to do. You would copy this right here. You have to add a text record. So you go to your Shopify, you go to your domain, go to DNS, and once you are in here, you will click on add new record, choose a text record. You will enter the underscore DMARC in there, and then here is the value. This, as you can see, it's an example domain, so I'm just gonna copy up to that, enter here, and then enter that domain I want this for. And after you have done that, if you want it to happen immediately, what you do is you go to custom and you select 600. I believe that's the lowest amount you can choose on GoDaddy. And if you have delegate access, you will see this. So you might need to contact that domain owner for that. But if not, then it will go through, and then you just wait the 10 minutes, and then you would go to what's my DNS, and you can check the record in here. So once you verify the identity, you will be able to see the record might get added last. You will see it being added here. And then, like I said, once the 10 minutes have gone by, you type in your domain name in here, and you will see all of them. As you can see, we don't see the one here, but it's only been a few minutes. So once you see this, the easiest way to see is you can copy and paste like that. So for example, if I go to check, let's see, it's one of these. If I go ahead, yep, you can see it right there. So that's how you would see it. And comment below if you have any questions.